Hello children, in this video we will be learning about 5th generation of computers. We know there are 5 generations of computers. First generation we used vacuum tubes, second generation transistors, third generation integrated circuit, fourth generation microprocessor chip, fifth generation artificial intelligence. The computers which were used after 2010 to till present belongs to 5th generation of computers. Artificial intelligence. So 5th generation of computers works on the concept of artificial intelligence. Now let us see what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is when a machine uses intelligence like the brain can. You know what is artificial? It is not natural. It is man-made. You know what is a machine, right? You know what is brain. So brain is natural thing, right? If machine uses intelligence like the brain, if machine thinks how our brain can, then it is called as artificial intelligence. There are some advantage in artificial intelligence. These computers are more reliable, works faster than other computers. They are easily portable. See, our mobile phone is also one of the example of artificial intelligence. We are carrying everywhere. So portable means carrying easily. So these computers are available in different sizes with different features, with different affordable prices, with different rates, with different characteristics, with different sizes. You know, smartwatch, it is one of the example of artificial intelligence. Having extra high processing speed, it works faster and it is wireless. It does not need any wire. So these are the advantage of artificial intelligence machines. If computers have their own brain, then they cannot harm the humanity. Now, if machines thinks on its own and takes actions, then we know the difficulty, right? The machines don't have humanity, so it will behave how it likes. So it is dangerous. So this is the main disadvantage in artificial intelligence. So one example is voice recognition. Even in your smartphone, you can do voice recognition. Open your WhatsApp. In the typing keyboard, you can find voice recognition button. The same icon. If you click that, if you speak, it will type the content automatically. So the machine will recognize your words and change into text. So this is artificial intelligence. Car self-driving. Everything is recorded in the car. So according to the content saved in the machine, it will drive automatically. It will sense and it will drive. So it is one of the best example of artificial intelligence. So car uses its intelligence and drive accordingly. So what we learnt? We learnt about 5th generation computers and some tasks done by 5th generation computers. Thank you.